Hey guys, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are having a great new year, and if you're new here, welcome to the dark side. In today's video, I'm creating these simple French tip gel X nails, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get on with the video. So first things first, I'm starting off with my soft gel tips, and I'm using a medium stiletto nail tip, and these ones, I call them almond nails. I guess they're more stiletto, but you know, it's whatever. So I'm using my Burano base glue. You know, it looks so old and ugly, raggedy, but it does the trick to glue my nails down. And also, if my voice sounds a little weird, I am recovering from a cold, unfortunately. The cold got me right as the new year hit, so yeah.
We gon' fuck up the world, excuse me, but it's that your girl, didn't mean to possess your girl. Baby, I'm high profile, don't ever tell them you met me, girl. They gon' think that you rep me, girl. 5'7", I'm messy, girl. I'ma pass you to Neymar, he got time for your bestie, girl. Niggas know that I'm best dressed, too high profile to access. I ain't even got a fact check, all I'm wearing is Wells Bond. I'm feeling good, I might wear no. Matter of fact, let's stay platonic. I just fuck, ain't that ironic? You can pick the bunk or bed. Either way, I'ma want some head. Messi led through me instead. We grew up round trifling hoes. You ain't did nothing, I don't know. It's cool, baby, I'm too high pro. I'm baby Keem, I wouldn't call it close. Messy, get them girls off the stage, cause somebody's gonna get taken, somebody's gonna invade on a one-on-one conversation. I'm drugged off from the world, I'm immersed in the PlayStation, and I ain't worried about her. It's 1,000 hers out waiting. We gon' fuck up the world, excuse me, but it's that your girl, didn't mean to possess your girl. Baby, I'm high profile, don't ever tell them you met me, girl. They gon' think that you rep me, girl. 5'7", I'm messy, girl. Famous, but I'm not for sale. Why you trying to possess me, girl? I mean, you know what upset me, girl. Was like that when you met me, girl. Cause he'll put you in princess shoes. Elevate your respect, you too. Here's 10K, I'm in a sexy mood. Don't let the homies touch you, move. Yeah, niggas know that I'm...
Want a foreign girl, that's it. I told him I want the world, that's it. Gucci dress and Fendi fur, oh yeah, oh, that's it. I don't love nobody first, that's it. But you made this pussy square, that's it. So that I bitch to hit the curb, that's it. Yeah, oh, that's it.
That's it. 5, 6.
So now I'm going to file the nails using my e-file, my hand file, and I'm going to buff using a buffing block.
She rub my bank. I walk in the bank. I leave it with racks. I live with beanie knees. No kizzy, no bikini knee. Some beds at Tennessee. I try to get it back. Told it, swim up 6. Fuck it, so good, need a check. The beam on the back of the tech. My island bitch shoot it the best. Correct. My foreign little bitch. Know how to really stress. Yes.
Ooh, that's it. You just want a foreign girl, that's it. I told him I want the world, that's it. Gucci dress and Fendi fur, oh yeah, oh, that's it. I don't love nobody first, that's it. But you made this pussy square, that's it. So that I bitch to hit the curb, that's it. Yeah, oh.
You get pre-X. You already did, but they need to keep up. That bitch can't get no balance on the dick, but she a Libra. That bitch can't get $1 from this shit, it's that Belisa. I bust it on the features, then give her back to Jesus. Cause if I try to keep it, you know I got Keisha, Keisha, you know I got Caesar. Lick it, pleases, you know I got niggas in my way, looking at this shit like I won't bust. All my dogs got it filled up, it's still cross. All my dogs got it filled up, it's real crop. All my dogs got it filled up, it's still dropping. This, imagine how niggas came up from the south, knowing them streets done did you dirty. Coming up these niggas with no fan, pussy that nigga don't touch my stash. Yeah. Working the curve. I wanna count all the Benjamins. She wanna
now that the nails are all filed, I'm adding a layer of base coat to my nails before I start off with the color. And I'm starting off with my thumb, and I'm going to go all the way to my pinky finger. So I'm using a rubber base coat that has like a nude color to it for my nails. So I've never used this before, and I have no idea how it's gonna come out or how it's gonna look, but we're trying this. And as you can see, it's like very rubbery and very thick, so it's thicker than a regular gel polish color, and it's a nude color that I wanted to have as the base before I did the French tip.
You know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby, got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know. Dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-side. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the Jeep blood stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge.
Enjoy the show. So we in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we in Houston. Definitely going down.
Brush you again, then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Lady, there's a phone you can reach. You know I don't give for keeps. You're trying to feed me with jealousy. Girl, you must know nothing about me. I never go here on a plan B. Plan B, plan B. I never go here on a plan B. Plan B, plan B. Yeah, brush you again. Then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Lady, she wanna breathe, need a child. I told her free, there's a crowd.
So since I haven't quite gotten the hang of drawing on French tip nails, I'm going to use this sponge stamper tool, and I'm going to put some white gel polish on it, and I'm going to press my nail into it to create that French tip style on the nail.
One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy, finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system, you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind, it runs. All these thoughts have trouble me. I need to give up my babe. I need to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need right here. I really need my love. I really need to bring my love. I really need your love. I need to bring my mind home. I really need your love. I really need to bring my love. I really need your love. Oh, yeah. Just let me free, freer than the open mind, farther than the eyes can handle, freer than the ocean now. Yeah, yeah. So set me free. Now I need to find release. Set me to the open sky. Now I need to free my mind. Yeah. Catch a groove like do a leap. I'm trying to do more with her than do a feature. I check the weather, they already chewing me up. Fuck it, fade away, I left that Lucanea. I heard from someone you said you could be us. Nothing, you know my city like a Noperia. I said, all these discussions over who could see us. Hush, I sold them basements, now let's do arenas. Crush it, she looking, I'm blushing, I'm lying, I'm touching. I need this shit to be taken up, I got accustomed to it. Fuck a leap of faith, I took a jump just like it's nothing to it. Girl, them Russian twists is working, I just push a button to it. I like talk, I'm cutting through it. I ain't no connoisseur, but I like this kind of store. I got nothing to do with who the fuck they think I'm screwing. 9 times out of 10 I had them, then I blew it. But I need some do a leap. I'm trying to do more with her than do a feature. I check the weather, they already chewing me up. Fuck it, fade away, I left that Lucanea. I heard from someone you said you could be us. Nothing, you know my city like a Noperia. I said, all these discussions over who could see us. Hush, I sold them basements, how let's do arenas. Crush it, she look
We the hottest, I used to be next up. Now I'm on some Ariana. Make you next, bruh. Shorty came from Lex, said she flexed up. EJ turned these motherfucking packs up. Need something to hit my connects up. Get like 3 something every time I dress up. I told Jesus I got a confession. If about to be something, they gon' have to catch up. So what's up? Do a leap. I'm trying to do more with her than do a feature. I checked the weather, they are chewing me up. Fuck it, fade away, I left that Lucania. I heard from someone you say you could be us. Nothing, you know my city like a no Korea. All these discussions over who will see us. Hush it, I sold them basements, now let's do arenas. Crush it, she looking, I'm blushing, I'm lying, I'm touching.
Picture on my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. You understand what I need is go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me?
So now I'm going to draw some dots on the nails, and I'm using white polygel. Oh, not polygel. Sorry, I'm using white gel polish, and I'm going to use a dotting tool to create those little dots.
X's and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I find myself in the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby,
And finally, I'm going to top coat my design.
I'm not gonna run out, just gonna stand here and sleep. Hey baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy. Around you.
Alrighty, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys loved how these nails came out, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe so you never miss any uploads from my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya!